Hello everybody, welcome back to Gamers Tech. So guys, in this video I'm going to unbox a RAM from ADATA. The model number is ADATA XPG Spectrix D50. I bought this from Vedant computers for around 5,300 Indian rupees. I will put a link in the description below if you want to check this out. The speed of this RAM is 3200 MHz and it is a 16GB RAM kit, means there will be two 8GB RAM stick. So let's unbox it. So inside the box we get two sticks of 8GB DDR4 memory. I have chosen the color white. There is also a black variant of this same RAM. So guys, if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, comment down below and share this video. Also newcomers, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get future notification from me. See you in the next video and stay tuned until then.